Once upon a time, there was a gorgeous woman named Arceli who lived in a magical kingdom. Her beloved children loved her very much and wanted to give her the best birthday ever. On the night of Arceli's 60th birthday, Butchok decided to make her a special birthday video as a surprise gift. He wanted to create an exciting and memorable day for his Lola Arceli.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha. At you make sure na mag-ingat ka. Sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang. You stay safe. Wash your hands lagi. Kumanta ng happy birthday tonight.
Lights, camera, action, ready, set, go.
On your birthday, I want to take a moment to reflect on the masterpiece that is you. Like a fine wine, you only get better with age. Each year adds layers of depth and sweetness to your character, making you the most delightful person. May your day be filled with laughter that makes your stomach hurt, cake that doesn't go to your waistline, and moments that become the best memories. Here's to you and the endless joy you spread.
Hi Manang! Happy birthday! Dual citizen ka na. Senior o Filipino citizen. Unta happy ka sa imong life. Wish ko tagaan kag ayong lawas sa atong Ginoo. Be happy always. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Arceli.
Happy birthday, Manang. More blessings to come. God bless.
Hello sis! This is the day sa ika-60th birthday mo karong adlaw. Naalam ko kan sa imo pantahon. Naalam ko magkanta usa ako sa ginagmay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, sis. Sis, daghang kayo salamat sa inyong pagmahal, pag-alaga sa ating pinakamamahal na ina na sa iyong pagka-responsible na magwang sa aton mag-igsoon. Ikaw ang the best because of matyagang nag-aalaga sa atong inahan. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo ay more birthday to them and more life to come, and enjoy your day today because you are going to a 60th birthday, and welcome to the world of senior citizen. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, papunta na rin ako dyan. Appear tayo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, sis. Hindi halata na magsi-60 ka na. Ma-beauty ka pa rin. Stay healthy always. I love you.
Maligayang kaarawan sa auntie kong pangalan pa lang hot na at ang gusto niyang kantahin sa karaoke. Hot stop baby, you still there. Mean a hot stop baby tonight. Happy 60th birthday, auntie. Mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto. Maraming salamat sa pag-aruga kay Lola. We love you.
Hi, Auntie. Happy 60th birthday. God bless.
Hi, Auntie Guapa. Happy 60th birthday. God bless. Palitson naman dyan.
Hi, Auntie Arceli. Happy 60th birthday. More blessings to come. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama Arceli!
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Wishing you a tons of blessings for your special day. Also, good luck to your new journey as a new member of seniors. Again, happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Hi! Tagaytang! Tani with a gold health and more blessing to come para matagaan mo ko. Thank you.
Ay mga happy birthday. Hope na na-enjoy mo yung surprise party namin sa'yo. Maraming drama yan. So, enjoy mo talaga dapat. And I wish you more birthdays to come. And good health always. Take care of yourself. Tapos, just be happy every day. And be good to other people also. Alam ko naman na maraming hardship na dinaanan yung life natin. Pero makakaya naman natin yan everyday as long as nagtutulungan lang tayo. So now, I'm happy na at least kahit paano is nagiging stable na yung life natin. Sa tulong din ng ibang tao. And I'm so very thankful for that. And for you, I wish na yung health mo laging maging okay. Kaya dapat i-check mo lagi yung yung health mo. And soon, just wait for the ultimate surprise. Yung kung ano mo yung pangarap mo na yan, matutupad din yan. So, makakapag-smile ka din ng buong buo. Hintayin mo lang. And yun po. Thank you sa tanan sa ginawa mo sa family. And thank you sa support as always. Yun lang, always yung maging humble sa ibang tao and be happy. As yun lang naman, magiging longer lang yung life kapag happy ka always. Yun lang naman din yung pinipray namin always sa'yo, na maging masaya ka at saka yung health mo lagi maging better pa. So yun mang, enjoy mo yung birthday mo today. Hope na na-enjoy mo and hope na maging better pa this coming days and years. So salamat sa tanan, ma'am you. Bye, thank you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Kanina surprise ka subong sa imong celebration. And congrats, part ka na sa senior citizen dira. May ID ka na gid man. And sa tanan, I miss you. I know you miss me, the beautiful me. This is me. I'm okay here and see you soon. Goodbye guys.
Happy birthday, Mommy Silly. I love you. Thank you for your unending love. Unta magkakuyab pa ka. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Silly.
Hello, ma'am. Happy 60th birthday. You are my senior citizen.
More birthdays to come and long life and good health. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Arceli. We love you.
Happy birthday to you.